In this video, we'll set the pygame icon to an online image. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for how to set the pygame icon to an online image. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the first result as it matches our query. Now this use case requires pygame library to function. So before proceeding, make sure that you have this library, if not get it from kandi. Let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here, go to the IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code. Here we are importing all the necessary modules. Then the code retrieves an image from a URL using the request module, opens it as a PIL image object and converts it to RGBA model. The PIL image is then converted to a pygame image using the pygame.image.formString function. The pygame window is initialized here. Here the code enters a while true loop to keep the window open until the user closes it. Let's run the code now. And you have set the pygame icon to an online image successfully.